Hello, we're gonna be reviewing art products today. Yeah, it's not that very creative, but I got these new markers and don't mind that. I got these new markers and I really want to test them out. This is not a part of it. I really want to test these out and stuff like that, so let's get on to the markers. As you can see, it's a really
big box.
Not really. It's actually really small compared to my hand. So, yeah, let's open this bad boy. I got these big scissors to, help us open this box. So we are going to open it. I'm kidding. I'm not using these big scissors. Actually, I have something smaller. Hold on, let me get it. Oh my god, my hat's in the way. Ooh, ow! Where did it go? So, it did take me a little bit. I ended up just using my big scissors and stuff. So, I opened it and, this happened. Oh my god, this is like, Funyuns! Oh shit. You know what? We're fine. I'll live. I just cut my finger a little bit. This is very dangerous, kids. Do not do this at home. Oh my god. Oh, my address. Oh, I'm bleeding. Hold on. I'm back. Ow. I just, it's not that bad. See? It's just a little, I didn't, whatever. We're not doing that again. Let's just cut the box. Alright. I finally, got this open. Okay, these are actually really thin. What the hell? Ooh. Let's test them out. So we got these, get out of here. You've hurt me enough. We got these Primetime scissors. Whatever this is called. Oh hoo hoo. Yoo-hoo! Anyways, yeah, so. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna swatch these really quickly. Speed up process time. Alright, I finished the swatches. I finished them. So, I'll list off the colors. So we got nude, baby pink, pink, light pink, peach red, magenta, red, rose red, Titan, orange, light yellow, luminous yellow, yellow. What? Medium yellow, warm golden, or golden Freddy. Nah, I don't see those as golden Freddy. That's actually like a marigold compared to my other marker set, but whatever. Marigold, earthy yellow, which is just orange. Peak green. It's kind of like a lime green, but whatever. Olive green, aqua green, light green, dark green, lake green. Okay. First of all, that is not green. That is like turquoise. And second of all, that is accurate. But these two, I think would be switched around. I don't know. Whatever. Sky blue, cerulean, I don't know. Light sapphire blue, Parisian blue, pale purple. That is not pale, by the way. That is like normal purple or whatever. Orchid, purple, lilac. Aren't these supposed to be brighter? Whatever. Kayak, whatever the f that is. Golden brown, coffee, terracotta, brown, dark brown, tawny. What the hell is tawny? Warm gray, flake white, grayish white, steel gray, gray, cool gray, blue gray, black, and color splendor. I don't agree with any of these, honestly. I might rename them later, but let's get to coloring. Alright, so we got my cat light, we got my other cat light, we got the markers, we got the swatches. Now, where did my pencil go? Where did it go? And we got my pencil case. And we got my pencil. Or two. There. Get out. Get out! Get out of here. Okay, so let's start sketching. So I just sketched Mario, Garfield, Peach, and Arlene, but like, you know, I did it in their like little Todoki, or kind of Todoki, but you know, whatever. You'll see. Alright, this is not too bad. I messed up a little bit, but we don't mind that mistake. These markers are not too bad. It's not as many color options. I mean, I'm sure there's more. I'll put some on the screen. But yeah, I give these like, not bad. So I'll give it like a 9.5 out of 10. My only concern is that they bleed a little bit. I don't know. It's kind of like basic alcohol markers, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this review or something. I don't know. But I will guys see you in the next one. Goodbye!
Dead! Not a big surprise!